Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of registering for Guardian Disability Insurance, ensuring you have the coverage you need to protect your income and peace of mind. Step 1. Understand your needs. Before you start the registration process, determine your individual needs. Consider factors such as your occupation, income, and the amount of coverage you require. This will help you choose the right policy that fits your circumstances. Step 2. Research Guardian policies. Visit the Guardian Insurance website to explore the disability insurance options they offer. Familiarize yourself with different types of policies, such as short-term and long-term disability insurance, and understand the features and benefits of each. Step 3. Gather necessary information. Before proceeding, gather all the necessary information you'll need for the application. This typically includes your personal details, income information, and any medical history that may be relevant to your coverage. Step 4. Create an account. To start the registration, you need to create an account on the Guardian website. Click on the Register or Sign Up button and fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Step 5. Complete the application. Once you have an account, log in and fill out the disability insurance application form. Be sure to provide accurate information to avoid any issues with your policy. Review your application thoroughly before submission. Step 6. Submit medical information. In many cases, you may be required to submit additional medical information or undergo a medical exam. Follow the instructions provided by Guardian to ensure you complete this step properly. Step 7. Review your policy options. After your application has been processed, Guardian will present you with your policy options. Review these carefully to ensure that they meet your needs and adjust any details if necessary. Step 8. Finalize your coverage. Once you find a policy you are comfortable with, follow the instructions to finalize your coverage. This may include making your first premium payment to activate the policy. Step 9. Keep your policy information handy. After your policy is in place, store your policy documents in a safe place and keep contact information for Guardian easily accessible. This way, you can always reach out for assistance or updates regarding your insurance. Don't forget, registering for Guardian Disability Insurance is a crucial step in securing your financial future. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth and efficient registration process. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.